guys, Mark. What's that? 8 or 9 days now? Last year was last year. Oh my gosh, I was so busy. Always busy asking for me to stay late, but no, not so much. I know. Other years, I was working overtime any day I wanted. I need a cup of coffee. Then let's start at Carson's. Their Tart and Tray coffee shop will be open, and I wanted to get a train set. So I still have lots of things to buy. Well, the flyer from Carson's is only $9.95. And then we want to go on the 6th floor and look at television. All I know is I don't dare go home unless I find a Steve Pen and helmet. I live on the pool table. And the TV too?
Transfer to the North-South State Street subway, Jackson Park, Englewood, and Howard trains. Stop here for Roosevelt University, Sears, and Goldplex. Please make sure to take all your personal belongings, especially your coats and hats. It may be warm out there, but it's still December. You don't want to bring home a cold for the holidays. Next is State and Van Buren.
이제 우리 집에 갈까? 우리 이제 집에 갈까?
Well, they say that business is very good out in the suburbs.